Hello again, Twill.tv viewers. Long time no see, unfortunately. A couple of months ago, as you remember, I was at CES. Well, right after CES, I got an email from a guy from Epson talking about this device. This is the Epson LabelWorks Smart Label Printer, Portable Label Printer. What thing that makes this different from a lot of other printer type devices is that most of them you have to hook up through USB and you print through your computer. There may be some piece of software that allows it to tie into the cloud or allows it to be printed to wirelessly, something like that. This one has built-in Bluetooth, so it will work with iDevices as well as Android devices. So that's sort of what grabbed my interest when I saw the email come out about it, and when they said there were review units available, I definitely jumped on it. So let's go ahead and open this up. We'll show you what's inside of it. Maybe I can set it up, get it working, all that fun stuff. Now, as I mentioned, it does do Bluetooth, supports all of these things. It also does wired, so you can do it USB to your desktop just like you would normally do, but you don't have to. You can do it through Bluetooth if you're interested in doing it that way. So here inside the box we have the printer itself. We'll put that off to the side so we can look at the accessories. It came with two different sets of label tape, label printing stuff. And actually the guy that sent it to me sent two additional ones as well. There's a 12mm glow in the dark, yeah, and a 24mm 1-inch black on white that you can use for using cable wrap, stuff like that. And these two are the 12mm sample black on white and a 24mm black on white. So these are the two you should expect to find in the box. The other two are just bonuses that I got. Additionally in the box we probably got some more stuff, so let's pull this cardboard out and put it away. Here we have the USB cable, traditional USB A to B. We have power adapter. That's a big old brick of a power adapter if I've ever seen one. And that's just half of it. This, I would assume, connects to the device itself. This other half goes to this, which goes to the wall. So for a small portable device, it does have kind of a big power adapter, but I suppose we make do with what we've got, right? And then quick start guide, stuff we'll probably not end up using. And now looking at the device itself, let me go ahead and open this. It's in this padded styrofoam stuff. There we go. Here we have it. LW-600P. It will take from 1/4 to 1 inch, 6 to 24mm. So 12 and 24 are two of the available sizes. 6 is apparently pretty teeny. Here's the front of the device where the labels will actually come out. And I guess you can sort of see what's going on inside of it. And that's how you open it up to put new label cartridge inside of it. Power button, the error notification light. There, you can see it now. Battery. Wait, does that mean it has a battery inside of it? Oh, it does! It supports batteries. It takes 6 AA batteries, so if you don't want to use that very awkward wall charger, you do have the option of using batteries. What I would kind of like to see in something like this, and I don't know if it's really feasible, would be a large rechargeable battery. 3,000 to 6,000 milliamp hours, where you plug it in USB and it charges, or you plug it in AC and it charges, one way or the other. That would be a nice, maybe a change for the next iteration of this device, but realistically, not bad looking device, not terribly big. I don't know how portable I would really consider it, but I'll take some time, spend some time with it, plug it up, maybe actually just put batteries in it and see how it works completely wireless with a mobile device. I'll whip out my Nexus 5 and connect to it and everything like that. And then I'll get back with you once I've got it up and going. Alright, and there we go. I've got the Epson software installed. I went ahead and placed this 12mm half-inch sample of labels in there, turned it on with the 6 AA batteries, and as you can see, Bluetooth is pulsing on here, and it shows up in my available devices. Go ahead and pair with that. I did install the app on my device, the Epson iLabel app. I don't think you have to have it installed to pair with the device. Let's see. Alright, so we are paired. This is still flashing. So I should be able to open up the Epson iLabel app, come down here and say printer. And there we go. I've selected my printer. And now I guess I go back out. It says waiting. Gives me all sorts of options here for things I can do with the device. Tape feed, what's that mean? That's probably a bad idea. Oh, it's feeding some tape through. I don't know what that just did. Okay, tape feed and cut. Let's see what that does. It's going to feed a little bit through. And then cut it off. There we go. That would be a label, but it doesn't have anything on it. So at this point, I ought to be able to make a label. Let's just see if there's anything in the label catalog. Ooh, all sorts of fun little stuff here. Do not use mobile telephones. That's going to be interesting if it if it puts it on this little teeny tiny label. Let's just see what happens. I hit print down at the bottom, printing one page. And so far, this has been fairly straightforward, I have to say. There we go. That's a label. It's a teeny tiny label. Let me put that up so you can see it. Focus. Yeah, do not use mobile telephones. Someone's totally going to see that. I may put that on my desk at work or something. So yeah, actually, first impressions of this, you know, just having used it this one time and looking at their app, not a bad thing so far. I have a feeling, and I'm probably right on this one, just like with most printing companies, the device itself, I'm not sure, I think the price on it was $99, but the new label cartridges run in, I think the cheapest I saw was about $13, and the most expensive I saw was in the $50 range, because it's like gold pattern something. But for the average ones, they run between $13 and $15, sometimes $18 for them. It depends on where you want to look. On Amazon, on Epson's website, they're usually $13 to $18. And looking through the little guide, the reviewer's guide that they sent me along with it, it actually talks about a developers program that they're launching. Let's see, we're launching a developers program for the world's first app-enabled label printer. Developers can access the SDK and the open APIs and create personalized printing solutions. Very, very cool stuff there. I think we're actually going to be doing a giveaway of a couple of these devices through XDA. So once I've used this for a little while and gotten used to it and gotten my feet wet, as it were, I'll be doing a full, proper review of it for you guys. And we'll be talking a little bit more about the giveaway that'll go on through XDA, and I'll let you know just what I think about the device. But I'll take probably a couple of weeks just to use it around the house, let my wife get a hold of it, because she loves to label things, she loves to organize things, so this will be right up her alley. And I will let you guys know what I think of it in the coming weeks. That's going to be about all from me for today. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Sorry again for not being around, but life's been hectic as usual. But I will see you again very soon with another video. Bye, guys.